Greetings, salutations, hi, it's me, Akima, and I'm coming to you today with a new Dollar Tree haul. And let's get started. So the first item I got was some laundry detergent. I was out, needed more. Figured I'd try this one with the awesome on there. And the next thing we got was some aluminum foil. Was close to being out. Always like to have extras. And some wax paper. So then next, I got these Betty Crocker Easy Seal containers. I always lose them, so I needed to get some more. So I have a pack of 3. They're really good containers in perfect size for lunches. And then I got some more of these garden vegetable crackers. I hauled them, I tried them, I love them. They will be a staple in my cabinet. I love them. So next, I got these Grill Mates, and oh my god, these are the freaking best. My favorite is the bourbon brown sugar. You marinate your meat with it and freeze it. It's perfect. Then I got some deodorant, some Secret, and some Poppin' Bites for my pup, who has been jealous lately. And I wanted to make sure I took care of her. And then I got this makeup. I got this glitter shadow by Wet n Wild. I've never used something like this before. I saw it in someone else's haul or something similar to it, and I cannot wait to try it. And then last but not least, well, this is the reason why I came. I get these window alarms for my son. So I just put him on the alarm so that if he actually does open the window, we can hear an alert. And then, oh, I forgot this. I actually picked up the Webkinz little gecko. I love him. Isn't he so cute? I love him. And I'm going to go online and see how the whole Webkinz works. And I'm kind of excited about it, adopting a new gecko. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe.